Want to know how to remove Threads badge on Instagram profile? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove the Threads badge on Instagram profile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Instagram app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Instagram profile. Likewise, tap on the Edit Profile option right beside the Share Profile option. Here, scroll down until you see the Show Threads badge option and toggle the switch right beside it. So this is how to remove Threads badge on Instagram profile. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.